May the odds be in our favor, boys.
No fear, okay? I don't wanna
If
see
you
brawl.
don't have any defense, don't go to the front. Go to the stay safe.
Nasaan ka, Cook?
Nasa spring ako.
Hindi, wala kang mark eh. Prof, mark mo nga. Dito, sa pingo.
Dito ako.
GG call, Cook.
No, GG ko.
Wait, I will tell.
Baka meron. Ito, prof.
Teka lang, it's Cooks.
Okay. Let's see.
Ba't lumaki sila? Pwede to.
Okay, go north muna tayo. Okay? Let them dismount first. We are heavy brawl, okay? I need some people go to this I need 1 people to go south, east, and west. Go to their backline. I need 3 people, okay? And then the rest full push. Okay?
Siyempre, dito. Execute.
I need go south. I need someone go south. Brawler, heavy brawler in south.
You need to assign.
Come here.
Don't say-
Some brawlers go here. And some brawlers go there. Everywhere. Spread around. Wrap them up.
Okay.
Like,
Okay, dismount here. Okay. Put up. OC. Spread. No one spread lang. Stay mount up at the back. Stay mount up the rest. Stay mount up brawlers. Some brawlers mount up. Some brawlers stay mount up. Some brawlers stay mount up. Some heavy Bajuju mount up. You go to their backline with later Bajuju.
They dismounted Cooks 2 screens away.
Okay, thank you. Spread lang. They will engage you na. Get ready or defensive. Tell me if they
One
inching.
screen away south.
Sabi mo,
One
pag-
screen
Okay, ready. Okay. Spread now. Okay, walk now, boys. Walk now. Spread and brawl. Keep spreading and brawling. Brawl them. Keep spread and brawl. Don't climb up in west. Keep brawling. Don't climb up in west. Okay? Just keep brawling. Keep brawling them.
One healer dead.
Keep brawling.
One healer down.
One healer dead.
Keep brawling. Okay, just keep brawling. Outside, brawl outside. Okay? Keep targeting their healer. Keep targeting their healer, boys. Keep targeting their healer. Don't climb up. Get ready defensive. They will have engage soon. They engage. Nice defend. Just keep brawl. Just keep brawl. Keep brawling. Try to target their healer. Get ready your Giga, man. I need some heals in the south. Okay. Keep rolling, boys. Keep rolling. Don't get the vortex, ha. Winner take this. They are in the north side. Defend north. Keep rolling. Don't climb up in south. Ditang hold north. Glamorous, okay? They're brawling. Okay, guys. They're brawling, Heal Glamorous. Help Glamorous. Keep rolling. Nice damage though. We kill one on that. Nice damage. Don't climb up in the middle. Don't climb up. Spread lang. Bibiling is giga, okay?
Walk in. They use everything.
Okay, do you see everything? Come now. Keep rolling is. Too many healers in the east side, Okay? Keep spread. If you are low, find a safe spot. If you are low. Keep rolling east. Can you brawl east? Too many here in the east side. Can you brawl east? South na. Can you brawl south? Brawl south. Too many in the south.
Medyo
Keep
mana
rolling.
problem. Mana problem healer mo.
Ah?
Low mana healer mo.
Walang mana mga healer ko. Oh, yes man. Giga. Keep rolling.